In a village called Rajgiri, Kamlan and Kamli, a married couple, lived with their 10-year-old son Amuthan. The people of that village practiced farming, helped one another, and lived together with love and unity. However, Kamlan alone did not participate in the village life. He worked at an office in the neighboring town, lived selfishly without mingling with anyone or helping anyone. Moreover, he had the mindset that he did not need anyone's help. Not only that, he also scolded his wife Kamli and his son Amuthan, telling them not to mingle with anyone. Since there was no hospital in that village, it was difficult to take the elderly and children to the hospital in the nearby town when they fell ill. Because of this, the villagers organized a meeting among themselves and decided to find a solution to this problem. Kamlan was also invited to that meeting. But Kamlan said, "There are no elderly people or small children in my house. Therefore, we have no problems. You handle your own problems yourselves. Do not call me," and then he left. After a few months, one day, Kamlan was going to the office on his bicycle. Suddenly, someone blocked his bicycle and said, "A boy has fainted and fallen. Please help a little." To that, Kamlan angrily said, "I'm already late to go to the office. Please let me pass," and left. After a few hours, Kamlan received a call on his mobile from his wife Kamli. She anxiously said, "Our son Amuthan is unwell and has been admitted to the hospital in the nearby town. Therefore, we need to go to the hospital. So, you must come home immediately," and then she hung up the phone. Kamlan, having come home, took his wife along and rushed to the hospital. When he saw his son whose health had improved there, he felt happy. Then Kamlan, shocked, looked at the person standing near Amuthan and said, "Are you the one who blocked my way and asked for help?" The person who answered yes said, "Is this boy your son? Because you didn't help, I had a lot of difficulty bringing him to the hospital. On the way while going for work, your son had fainted and fallen on the road. I immediately admitted him to the hospital, and after seeing the phone number from his notebook, I contacted you. Your son fainted because he walked without eating in the morning. He is fine now," said the doctor. Kamlan and Kamli bowed their heads and thanked the man. The man said, "I have a lot of work. Please take good care of your son," and handed over Amuthan to them before leaving the place. Thinking about how, due to his selfish nature of never helping anyone, he was unable to help even his own son in a time of danger, Kamlan felt deep regret. Through this incident, he realized a truth. If someone in front of us is facing a problem, instead of turning away thinking it's not our concern, even if we cannot solve that problem, we should at least help in whatever way we can. That is humanity. From that, Kamlan realized that everyone can live only by depending on each other. No one can live alone without anyone's help. After that, Kamlan lived happily with his family, united with the villagers, and helped others in whatever way he could.